chillin', AZ chillin', Brooklyn's chillin'. What more can I say? Why catch feelings?
Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. I'm not sure if it's going to be this week's video or what. Little overview on the DS. I've had it ever since it ran. Let's just say we starved it old rod and wheelies and screwed the engine up in the bottom. Here's how it sits right now. Motor's pulled out of it. It's basically gutted. It's been apart for 2 years. Like, it's been like this for 2 years. Here's the crankshaft. I've already pulled the bearing race off, and I've also pulled the gears off. This is what's screwed up on the motor itself. Ow. The motor. So you get your balancer right here, and there's a gear on the balancer, and there's a gear. This is the gear for the crankshaft right here. So basically, to get it right just like this, well, there's two little dots that line them up. They're right like that, and so basically every time they make a rotation, if you come around and you see that broken off tooth, it get right there, and right there makes a big old loud thud. Every time that you hear it, every time that thing would make a rotation. So basically that's what made our knock. I'm gonna throw up a video right now of that knocking. Alright, so yeah, you can see where it was knocking pretty bad. Here. So that's what was wrong with it. Here's the cases over here. Your oil pump, sprayer. Basically everything is alright, but there's a lot of metal chips down here. Like, it ate those teeth. See? It ate those teeth. So basically the engine's gonna have to get a full overhaul, ground up. If y'all know where like these parts are at that I just need those two gears, and I can get the gaskets. These two gears, and then I also need the little bolt that holds it in time. I'm gonna put up the part numbers of these two gears right here. So yeah, those two part numbers for these two gears. That's what I need to get this thing back together. And if y'all know of anybody parting one out, let me know. Email me. My email should be underneath in my on my channel. So yeah, I've already got brand new rings here in this. I have the rest of the parts down there to it. I'd like to get it back the way it was. Just finding these parts. Both of those gears are on back order right now, everywhere. So I can't get one. I can't get one from anybody. Only way I know of to get one's probably used. And if you got one of those and they're good, I'd buy them too. Pretty sure only like 97% of y'all that are watching are subscribed, so go down there, like, subscribe. Yeah. This is kind of just a throw together video. Just talking about this thing. I'm wanting to get new radiator hoses and everything for it. I know a lot of time the oil screens get clogged up, and that's why they knock, because they lose oil pressure. That was not what was wrong with mine. You can clearly see that was not what was wrong with mine. Yeah, it's a mess. I need a rear shock for it too, because it's somewhere. It's been apart for so long, things go missing. There's gonna be a lot of stuff probably missing from it, and I'm sure y'all are gonna see content on it. Yeah, this content might not do too good though, because the DSs are definitely not very popular. There ain't a lot of them around. Yeah. I know y'all seen the KFX and the Renegade, but the KFX, it needs a flywheel. So if anybody knows where a flywheel is for a LTZ or a KFX 400, let me know. Yeah, this thing it's stuck the way it is right now until I can find those 2 gears. If I can find those 2 gears, I'll get that bottom input back together. That's why it's been on for so long, apart for so long, is that gear has been on back order for the last 1.5 years. Both those gears. I would like to have both these gears and this pin too. It's on back order too. The pin, and I want that bolt that locks it in time in top dead center, but I can get away without that. I can go get me a bolt that fits in that and ground it down to a point like it is on the other tool and make it work. So if y'all know any information about this DSs, let me know. Information is pretty hard to come by for them. So yeah, that'll be it for this week's video. Yeah, this DS was definitely not a very clean DS whenever I got it. Throw some pictures up right here of it. It was the cheapest one around. Yeah, I rode it for a month and the engine went in it. It's because we had it leaned back riding wheelies on it and starved it of oil in the front of it. And same time though, I'm almost thinking that's not possible because this is a dry sump engine. They get lubricated no matter what. Like oil doesn't sit down in the crankcase. You see what I'm saying? It's pumped by the oil pump from the oil tank. I could be wrong though. Yeah, so that'll be it for this week's video. Like, subscribe, that kind of thing. More content's coming. I just ain't got no content right now for this week. So, well, whenever I post this, I'm not even sure if I post it. I might find something else. But